Hello everyone friends, on the Cala Weller. Today I will show you how to download Faceit. To do this, go to any browser, that's it, and write Faceit here. Click Download Faceit Client. Click Download. Such an exe file is downloaded, open it. Such a launcher opens. Click Allow. That's it, and the launcher itself opens. Here is the verification. And then just log into your account. That's it, that's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. Weller was with you. Goodbye everyone.